the second paragraph of the lesson to speak, speak, speak. Okay, let's start. The more you speak, the better your English will become. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you will make. You must enjoy making progress. You must enjoy speaking for English. Speaking is everything that will lead you to good success. Don't give up to try your best. Okay, thanks for watching for my video. Thank you.